Bird. Birds are one of the most beautiful living on earth. It is the most beautiful life on earth. There are many kinds of birds on earth. All countries have national birds. Like other countries, our country has also national bird. Lophophorus is a national bird of Nepal. Birds has high and soft feather. Humming Hummingbird is the smallest bird all over the earth. It is a vertebrate animal which has the scientific name ape. These apes move all around the world for food and life. Birds has beautiful and soft feathers. It migrates all over the world for food and living. There are different kinds of birds found on earth. Birds are one of the amazing animals on earth which can fly due to marrow bone. It shows different characters in different birds, like parrot can talk but peacock doesn't. Parrot can talk like us in different ways. Parrots are green in color, but peacock has rainbow color in its feather. They are one of the animal on earth or amazing animal on earth. Lophophorus is national bird of Nepal. Bird has beautiful voice. They also differ in colors. Different countries have different birds. They migrate from one place to another. Thank you.